Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers and all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed and you've been watching, saying, should I subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen or shouldn't I? Mr. Belle taking me step by step. I know I'm taking you step by step and everything. That way you don't have to go down, look at the ingredients and see what to put in there. As long as Mr. Belle taking you step by step. It's easy to go by. Today I'll be doing something different in this Power XL. I'll be grilling some pork chops. This is my very first time grilling pork chops in the Power XL. So today I brought my own little grill that I cut and I'm gonna put in here because the grill that they have in the Power XL, a lot of people say it don't leave the grill mark on it. So what I'm doing for the very first time, I'm testing it and you're gonna test it with me. We're gonna do this together. I went to grocery outlet, I brought me a nice little grill pan, I cut it to size of the Power XL. I'm gonna stick it in there and we're gonna be grilling these pork chops together today. But I wanna talk about another thing. It's getting close to the holidays and people is cooking the stores is running out what they need. Everybody been probably using the box dressing and everything, thinking about making their own dressing. I just want to throw that out there. Mr. Belle have videos on dressing. If you're wondering how to make some mac and cheese or baked macaroni you want to have, if you don't want to have baked macaroni, you can have mac and cheese. Mr. Belle got videos on mac and cheese and baked macaroni. Also, Mr. Belle got videos on potato salad if you want to have potato salad. Mr. Belle got videos on potato pie, sweet potato pie, squash pie. I'm telling you, it's all different kind of things. That's all you have to do is stroll down, see what Mr. Belle have there. And it's easy, plus Mr. Belle taking you step by step. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this stuff out the way and I'm gonna get ready to set this grill right quick. I'll be right back. Okay, this is the grill I brought from grocery outlet. You can use it outside, inside. But I was thinking, I say, I'm gonna use this in my Power XL. I'm gonna cut it with my saw. I cut it with my saw. You see it never been used before. It's in the plate. And plus it had the ranges on it. When you're cooking, you wanna see that grill thing on your meat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out like this. I'm gonna raise my top up. Now I'm gonna set this on grill and everything. And I'm gonna sit this in just like this. I'm telling you. When you're out shopping and you see little different things you think you might use it. I'm gonna sit it in just like that. And like I said, we're gonna be doing this together. And I'm gonna sit it. Today, we're gonna see how them pork chops come out and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this on grill. I'm gonna set this to the side, excuse me for a minute. So I'm gonna set this on grill. I'm gonna set temperature for 375. And today, I'm gonna start my minutes off about 20 minutes. For 20 minutes, just like that. And I'm gonna press start. And now, what it's gonna do, I'll put it down and it's preheating. When it get through preheating, it's gonna say add to food. So I'm gonna get busy with these pork chops. Today my ingredients gonna be, I'm gonna use one tablespoon of Montreal Steak Seasoning, a tablespoon of seasoned salt, and a half a teaspoon salt. I'm just using 3 ingredients today. And I'm telling you, this Montreal is gonna be good on them pork chops. I'm gonna mix it up all together like I do and everything. And I'm gonna put it on the pork chops. And I'm gonna get these pork chops and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna do 5 of these pork chops. I'm gonna do 3 of them while you're looking. They nice and little, so everybody had their own pork chop. I left some of the fat on so they could come out nice and good. As you see, they looking nice and good. And we're gonna be doing this together right here, just like that. And I'm gonna grill these up and wipe my hands. And what I'm gonna do, you know, Mr. Belle like to mix up all his ingredients together, just like that. I'm gonna put these to the side. I'm gonna mix it up with my hand, just like that. And I'm gonna just take this right here and I'm gonna just, this is easy, it's quick, and it's fast. Just like this. I'm just doing this little quick video right here. Let this come out real nice and good. And just season it up nice and good. Just like that. Season that up. What I'm gonna do the other side. Just like that. Put a little on. Just sprinkle this all over. Get it nice and good. Sprinkle it just like that. Make it nice and seasoned. Just like that. And when this get through, when it say add food, we'll be adding this together. Okay, now it say add food. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise the top up. And I'm just gonna take these and I'm gonna put them in just like this. We're gonna see how it come out. Put it in just like that. And I'm gonna close this top. We'll be looking at it together. Close it and let it start cooking. Press that start. And in 20 minutes it's there. And I'm gonna let this cook for about 7 minutes before we look at it again and raise up the top and see how nice and good it's cooking before I turn it over. We will be turning this over together. But in the meantime, for all my first time viewers and they haven't been watching Mr. Belle Kitchen, you know Mr. Belle gonna say, wash your dishes as this is cooking. Don't leave it for your spouse, don't leave it for your friends, don't leave it for your roommate. Wash them so everyone can enjoy the food. They might be hungry, they might turn down the food because they're afraid they're gonna have to wash the dishes. If you wash the dishes as that, everybody can enjoy the delicious food. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and I just want to show you, we're going to look at this together. As you see, the top is up. Let's see how it's looking on the back side. See, the cuts is coming in, so I'm going to flip it over and let it just cook just a little bit more on that. Let me see. Yeah, it's coming in. It's going to be nice and good on both sides. So I'm going to put the top back down, let it finish cooking. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. We're gonna look at this right quick and see how it's coming out. It's coming out pretty good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just flip them over right quick and see, can I get these marks on here? Like I say, it's a tryout, we'll see. I'm gonna close it and let it finish cooking. Okay, it's 1 minute left. We're gonna take a look at this and see how they're coming out. As you see, it's coming out pretty nice. I'm gonna turn it over. We might have to add just a little more time because I like my pork chops well done. And I'm gonna use that 1 minute and I probably add about 10 more minutes to it and everything. So I'm gonna let that cook. Okay, it's circulating, it's done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add 5 more minutes to it and I'm gonna leave the pork chops in while it's on preheat and everything, because you can leave the meat in and everything, and it's gonna do it for about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna turn them on the back side while it's doing it. Just like that. Turn them over, but they looking good, nice and good. And I'm gonna just add that on, and I'm just gonna add them few minutes on it. I'm gonna press cancel, and as you see, I'm gonna set it right back on grill, and I'm hit it for 375, and I'm gonna add 10 minutes to it, and just like that, add the 10 minutes to it. 10 minutes like that, and I'm gonna press start, I'm gonna let it preheat. It's gonna preheat for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it over and flip it. Okay, now add the food. It's 10 minutes on here, so I'm gonna look at them and see they coming out good, nice and everything, nice and good. So I'm gonna let it down, let it continue to cook. Okay, it's been 2 minutes after preheat. I'm gonna just take these grilled pork chops and flip it over one time and let it just stay in there a couple more minutes. Like that, let it stay in a couple minutes. Okay, I'm gonna take these out, just 8 minutes. Take these out and put them right over here. And these right here are the grilled pork chops. And I'm gonna take it out and put it right just like that. And I'm gonna press cancel on this. And this right here is my pork chops. Okay, this is your grilled pork chops. I didn't get that much grill with that plate, but these are your grilled pork chops and everything. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you're wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Like I say, I have a lot of videos. The holidays is coming up on how to make homemade dressing, potato salad, sweet potato pies, squash pies, and everything had to do with the holidays. Just you have to stroll down and you'll find my videos. Thank you.